For both casual viewers and country club regulars, there's no better time to dive into the world of golf. With the US Open ushering in the second half of the major tournament season and ideal weather blanketing much of the Northern Hemisphere, Nike is stepping up to keep golfers looking sharp on the course. The spotlight is on the Nike Air Max 90 Golf, a staple in the golf meets lifestyle category since 2021. This upcoming colorway features a sleek Ashen Slate upper constructed with synthetic and mesh materials. Meanwhile, diffused blue accents appear on the lower eyestay, heel, mudguard window, and midsole wedge. Rounding things out, sail finishes hit the swoosh, midsole, and heel text for a clean contrast. The Nike Air Max 90 Golf Ashen Slate and Diffused Blue is expected to release in fall 2025, likely between July and September. Expect a retail price of $145 when they hit shelves.